Second way to handle the exception is to use the throws. So this is basically used with the method. Suppose in a particular method you are having an exceptional code. So what you can do out here, my friend, you can make that method to throw an exceptions and let the calling method handle that particular exception. Now let's take a scenario here. We are having an object, we are having a class exception demo, and let me write a method public void div num. So this will going to divide a number of integer x and y, and like this. And here I am going to write all this kind of codes. So I will just copy all this line of code like this, and I will cut it from here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it here. And now what is going to be happen here, I didn't need to give a value of x and y because we were going to give this value whenever we call this method. Now here what is going to be happen, let me just try to divide this number by using the int div once again, or maybe double. I will use double is one good one. And now I'm not going to use any type of try and catch. See, I'm not going to use a try and catch like this. Instead what I'm going to do, I'm just going to divide this number and let me return a double here like this. That means I need to return a double, so return double, that is the div. Now my friends, what we are going to do, we were going to create an object of exception demo like this. Ed, I will say ed and new exception demo. And now let me call this method. How I can call ed dot div num, let's say the 10 and the 0, and we know this is going to throw an error. So what we can do, we know this will throw an error. So instead of writing the try and catch, the div number says, okay, I'm not going to handle this particular errors. Let the calling method will handle it. So what you can do, you can just simply use here throws keyword and use arithmetic exception. So what is going to be happen now, it's the responsibility of this particular method to handle this error. So that's why instead of writing the try and catch inside the method, what you can do, you can write the try and catch inside the main method. The same code will apply here. I will use a try, and here I will use a catch, and I will use arithmetic exception, let's say e, and here you can handle and you can use whatever, let's say e dot print stack trace, let's say it is handled, and we can just run the program normally, running normally. So this is also the way to handle the exceptions. Mostly we use this type of scenario in some in programming. I will show you later on when we move to the more advanced section. And here you can simply print if it is not throwing an exceptions. What you can do, you can simply print system.out.println, and let me print the number that is here I'm directly going to use here. I will cut it down from here, and let me just print it down, and let me use it. I'm going to directly print it. So if it is no error, it will print the number, otherwise it will print the stack trace. And let's run it. Let's see whether the programming is running normally or not. Okay, so here you can see it is a divide by 0, but the program is running normally because we are printing the stack trace. So this is how you can use the throws, a wonderful thing. And later on when we move to the advanced section, we will talk about the throw keyword, means how you can throw your own exception, but not now. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.